we're gonna go up there again. I think it's been like a year or so. Went from there. We're already tired.
Well, you are tired.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thought you said you were tired too.
I mean, I'm getting tired. Ready?
Always.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I felt like I barely made it.
This is only the first part.
We're high, woman. I think we're really high. Yeah. If you don't know yet, we're still...
Remember, just look at the ground.
Okay. We're hiking to the Big C. Again. After like, how many years? Like 1?
Remember, breathe with your nose.
Okay, I'll remember. You're mad at me?
Yes, I'm mad at you.
I forgot the water bowl. She's mad.
You're going on a hike. I told you bring your water.
Yeah, I'm already dying to be here. We made it to the Big C together. We didn't stop the last few feet. It didn't feel like a few though. It felt like 1,000 feet steeper it got.
It was hard, but we made it. Without water, you too. Thank God we didn't die from dehydration.
Yeah, until we just passed out. Couldn't do nothing about it. We're taking pictures. I already took pictures of her. Now she's taking pictures of me. It looks like we're leaving already because she's packing stuff up. I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Nice flex, you see?
I'm crazy. Because you're sexy, that's why.
Stop it.
You're crazy. It's gonna be easier going down than it was going up, so good feeling, right? And then I'm gonna get water because I'm an idiot and I forgot.
Yeah, and I'm ready. Hold on, let me get my
You
glasses.
still mad?
Of course. Just carry your hand.
Oh,
One
yeah.
hand. Okay. Carry my sweater too.
You're crazy.
Just kidding. Okay, I'll get it right now.
No, she won't. Just being modest. Just kidding.
You liar.
I'm like a pack mule. She's nice. She doesn't do that. She carries her own weight and more sometimes.
We were like the video we were watching last time, remember?
Oh, yeah.
The types of girlfriends that there's, like there's 17 types of girlfriends. And I guess I'm 16 out of 17 because I'm not the jealous one.
Oh yeah.
But I am kinky, I am freaky, I am
Hey,
crazy.
just don't say everything that can. What the
childish. I am loving. I also get mad.
And short. You look really short from here. There we go. That's better.
I also. Who was the other one? I think I only named like 5. Oh, you get mad. Very loud. Very.
Jealous?
Like, no.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you can't see it, huh? Okay, move right here. There's like horses or something over there. You see that? Oh, goat. You see that?
I know it.
Can't even see how it's... Oh, I see it now.
My glasses got stuck in my hair.
Crazy woman. Okay, there's like a little bit of hair stuck in there still. It's a key. I got it. I got it. There we go. I think I got it.
No.
Oh yeah, some hairs in there. Okay, I think I got it now. Yay.
Bright. Bright.
Okay. Yay.
Look. Look. You fit them perfectly fine in there, huh? Huh? Oh, I was trying to show the goats, but I took a picture of them. I think I saw a swing over here. My phone, I broke the camera. Otherwise, it would be cool because it flips around. But his phone is cheap.
Cheap? What the hell? don't see that right there?
Oh,
They're like turkeys.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You're crazy.
That's scary.
You scaring me. It's secure enough.
It's like new rope, so it is secure.
Is Thanksgiving already?
The weird thing is vibrating.
Oh, I'm recording. Shit.